All right, 6:48 your time right now. As promised, here are the fourth graders from Meadowthorpe Elementary here in Lexington. Went out there yesterday and had the opportunity to talk to this great group of kids, obviously about weather safety. We talked about lightning and tornadoes and a career as a meteorologist. And we also talked about our future forecaster program. And this is a reminder to those kids and to all the kids out there. We want you guys to submit a video. We want you guys to have an opportunity to be a future forecaster right here at Fox 56. You get to do the weather right here on the news. And especially those that have a passion for weather, we want to see a video from you. Listen, I'm going to tell you what, great, well-mannered, and a lot of great questions from this group. Thanks again for having me out there yesterday. We've got a nice morning across the state, and guess what? An absolutely beautiful Wednesday in store for us, too. We're going to start off with some fog. We are in southeastern and southern Kentucky. Let's look here, though. You look far in the distance from our Somerset home view, a little fog, but not to the degree, at least here in front of the hospital, Lake Cumberland Regional Hospital, that it's at least creating any issues. Cumberland Falls, it's a beautiful shot this morning. Look at that. Paris and Lexington, some clouds kind of in the distance, but no fog showing up in those two locations. Temperatures this morning are running in the 50s. We'll get to that in a moment. Here's where that fog is located, primarily southeast and down to the south. This area held on to a mostly cloudy sky even into late yesterday. So the sun, there was a lot less of it down here. So without that sun, we didn't have as much time to kind of dry things out after the rain. And guess what? When the clouds moved out and we had that lingering moisture and the wind went calm, we got dense fog that formed, and there is a dense fog advisory eastern southeast Kentucky until 10 o'clock this morning. So visibility going to be a little questionable down there the next few hours. Temperature-wise, we're in the 50s and even a few isolated 40s this morning, but don't worry, it's going to warm up nicely. A great day for recess outside, a great day to maybe do some work in your yard. These temperatures climb into the lower 80s for a lot of us today with some scattered clouds tonight. Looking at today, though, sun and some scattered clouds, but overall, pretty good looking one out there. Tonight, partly cloudy at times, otherwise upper 50s and low 60s for overnight lows. Now the question becomes, are we going to see rain as we head into our Oaks and Derby Day? Well, right now, we've got a chance both days. I think Friday may actually be the better chance still, and then Saturday, front going to hang around, and that does mean a continued chance for at least some scattered showers and storms. Timing for those showers and storms for both days, still a little uncertain, but by the time we get into the day tomorrow, we're going to have a good handle on at least timing for Friday and Saturday's rain. Today, though, no rain. Warm temps 82, 86 tomorrow, near record highs. And then we keep a daily chance for some of those afternoon showers and storms into the start of next week.